Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we'll be seeing string matching algorithms, majorly covering KMP algorithm and Rabin-Karp algorithm. And basically, we'll be seeing the basics and the theory of KMP algorithm today. And also, we'll see a shortcut trick to find the LPS of the strings, which are given mostly asked in exams, even for lesser marks for 2 marker 3 marker to find the lps of the pattern. Okay, so let's get started. So the basics are what what is kmp algorithm. Knuth Morris Pratt algorithm is a string matching algorithm. This you can use to write in this theory you can use to write for exams for 5 marker, or if you have to add some points, like in college exams, so you can use it there. Okay, so first of all, it is a string matching algorithm used to search for a pattern within a text. Okay, it is faster than naive. Now what Okay, so this is the second point. This is faster than naive. Now what is a naive? Naive is basically primary string matching algorithm. It checks for every pattern, like for every pattern in the text, and by trying all it tries all the possible outcomes, possible positions one by one. So kmp algorithm, what it avoids rechecking characters, and so therefore it has less time complexity. Okay, so the third point is it uses lps, the main of kmp algorithm, lps, so that it can jump to the next possible match position in the pattern after a mismatch. Here it rechecks every character, it avoids recheck every character. And the second point is that it directly jumps to the pattern after a mismatch instead of restarting from zero. So this definition also asked in exams, like what is LPS? Longest prefix suffix is the array that stores for every position in pattern the length of longest prefix, which is also a suffix of the substring ending at the position. Okay, the main two steps are, it first build the LPS array, and second it searches the pattern in the text. So now we'll see how to find the LPS, the shortcut trick. Okay, so this pattern is given to us a four times. Okay, so we have to build LPS of this. So what we'll do, first of all, if such kind of patterns are given, we'll first write the first character. Okay, a, only the first character. There is nothing prefix, nothing suffix, so zero for here. The second is a. So if we'll see like this, 1 1, so 1. Okay, a a till here we have come. So what can we see? 2 can be formed on each side. 2. Third, a and a. So what can we make? 3. Common groups of 3 can be made. So 3. So this is the LPS. We can also take another pattern. Okay, for example, we'll take a a b a b. Okay, if we'll take this, if we have to build lps of this, what we can, a b a b. If we'll take only a, nothing, 0. If we take a and b, nothing of a and b, both are separate, different, unique. Okay, so again 0. If we'll take a b a and a, prefix suffix, something similar, 1. Then a b a b, this is a b a b, same. So this is this a b a b 2. Okay, okay, these are two, na, a and b, two characters, so that's why here 2. Okay, we'll see one more example. If we have to see a b a, we have to calculate build lps for this. A. First we'll write A, 0. Again we write A, then we'll write 1. If we'll write A, B, we have to go in this order only. Okay, so A, B. So can you make anything of this? No, nothing. So 0. A, B, A. Similar would be A and A only. So again 1. Okay, now if you want we can take another example. Okay, we'll take two more examples. First is A, B, A, C, A, B. Okay, you have to build LPS for this. A, B, A, C, A, B. Okay, we'll write first A, nothing, 0. A, B, nothing, 0. A, B, A, this same 1. Then A, B, A, C. Anything you can you make anything? No, 0. Then A, B, A, C, A. Again this, only A and A are similar, nothing else. 1. Then A, B, A, C, A, B. Then what is similar? A, B, A, no, only A, B and A, B. So 2. These are two characters, 2, 2. So this is the LPS of this. Okay, we'll see one more last example. A, B, C, A, B, C, A. Okay, you can try from this trick. You will be able to solve all the LPS. Okay, so A, B, C, A, B, C, A. Okay, so A, nothing, 0. A, B, nothing, 0. A, B, C, all different, 0. A, B, C, A, only A and A, longest prefix and suffix na. So this A and A here and here, so therefore 1. Now A, B, C, A, B again. So A, B, so it is 2. Then A, B, C, A, B, C. We are going by this order only. Then A, then A, B, then A, B, C, then A, B, C, A. Okay, so here A, B, C, A, B, C, this and this same. So 3. And the last A, B, C, A, B, C, A. Okay, so A, B, C, A 1 and A, B, C, A 2. These both are same, so 4 here. Okay, so this is the LPS. I hope you are able to understand this and you are able to solve most of these. Find the LPS of this by using this trick. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.